Guys, it's Elliot again, back for another video, but this one's a little bit different to normal. It's more of a how-to guide. I'm going to be attempting to replace the headlight rail and bracket that sits inside the wing because I've broken it, truthfully, and I've got this movement here where I've broken it. So I've got a replacement part, and I'm going to try and show you what I'm doing to replace it along the way, because I couldn't really see any videos of it. So I'm going to attempt it. Hopefully I don't muck it up, and hopefully it proves useful to a fellow 996, or I believe also Boxster owner. So let's go. Okay, first things first, we need to open up the front bonnet. Then, to get the light out, you need to unscrew this little tab here first of all. Pull the carpet back, and there's a little socket in here that adjusts the little rail that sits underneath this headlight, which pops it out or in. So what I'm going to do is just build up a socket and just show you what I'm using to be able to pull that whole light out. So what I'm using here is a 5mm socket with I don't know what the rest of this is called, but it's a 5mm socket with an extender on it. And you plug it into this hole here. And as you do that, the light pops out. All in one unit, nice and easy. Okay, so this is the rail it goes on, and you've got sort of a rail there, and everything pops in pretty perfectly, and it all slides into this electrical connector at the back. As you can see, this that unlocks and locks the headlight is broken, so I just pulled it out. Shouldn't do that. So it's all broken here, and I did attempt to fix it with some Gorilla Glue by gluing the bit in that I broke, but I mucked it up. So basically meant there was all that movement. So what we're going to be doing is trying to fit this new part. Sorry about that, that's the fan, I've just given the car a drive. So as you can see, I've got a replacement part here. It's exactly the same, offside. The part number, if you can see that there, that's the part number. I bought this on eBay from a breakers. I think it was about 70 quid, roughly. Can't remember now. And as you can see, this is all intact here. I've got a new rod here. And it fixes into the wing with these little sort of, I don't know what the hell that's called. So in theory, if I just undo these 3 bolts, wherever they are, there, and there, and then take the electric connector off, in theory I'll be able to replace it quite easily. So here goes nothing. Finally get to use my stubby spanners again. I'm using a 19, this is a 19. Oh, that one doesn't like me. Oh. Right, I'm going to get a socket on that. Right, now this one is a lot smaller. I'm going to try to find out what bolt that is. That one's a 10. Times like these I wish I ratcheted the spanners. What's this? Figured it out. I turned it over with the wire in it, and basically when it's like that, upside down, there's a tab, let's put that over there, tab there and a tab there that you need to push in to get it past that little notch on either side, and then it comes down and out. So that's that. Oh, and that just pulls out that thing. So don't worry about that. So if I do that in reverse, okay, it's easier to do it when it's the right way up. It just fits. Right. Okay, I've been stupid here. I've left all this gump right. That's okay, we can take that off. Right, I'm basically going to undo all of the shit that's on the bottom of here because I forgot, because I'm an idiot, and basically bolt it all back onto these points, and then we'll basically be done. So, get on each of the mounting points. We need to plug that into there. Right, then we need to tie them down. Jeez, that one was fiddly as hell. So, I always forget how to make this work right to fit into the light, because as you can see, that bar fits into there to lock the light into place. So you line everything up to get it in. I think we're done. That's done. You can always tell, because sometimes that noise is really unnerving, but if you just make sure that everything doesn't feel like it can slip out, that's saying that it's done. So just put the carpet back, screw that little thing in, and we are done. Right, now that's done and all fitted as a freaking car. Who the hell drives an Nissan Juke? Anyway, now that's fitted, you may as well test that the lights are working. So I'm going to do that. A great success!